If you are interested in learning about the Silva Method and the Silva Method techniques, then this video is for you. This is video 3. Stay tuned, because in this video I'm going to give you a simple and clear overview of what the Silva Method is and why it's considered one of the most comprehensive self-development programs out there. You will then be able to determine for yourself if this program is for you. If you like the content, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and press the icon below to ensure you get notified when we put out future content. Hello, my name is Dobos, and I am an abundance scientist and coach, as well as a Silva Method instructor. For a limited time, you can download a free centering exercise. The link again is in the description box below. The Silva Method is a scientific system which teaches us to experience our hidden capabilities so that we can achieve our objectives more easily and with less effort. And maybe you're thinking, okay, this sounds great, but what does it mean? What will I be able to do after sitting in a course for 4 days? I'm very happy that you're watching this video. During this video, I'm going to share something very important. You, without exception, have an exceptional treasure in your possession. It's priceless, yet you are not aware of its capabilities. What is this priceless treasure? It's your mind. Yes, your mind. You see, if you learn how to use this treasure, that is to control your mind, you can use it to its maximum capability. Then the things that you will be able to do are nothing short of miracles. Let me repeat, you will be able to create miracles. But wait, there are no miracles here. Why? Because a miracle occurs against the laws of nature. But if we use the laws of nature to accomplish something, then it is not a miracle, but the exact opposite. Science. Yes, science. Science is the study of how to create specific result by repeating a certain action or set of actions. So how does the Silva Method work? The Silva Method works by using the laws of nature to create and fulfill your desires in almost every aspect of your life. Science is only beginning to discover these laws of nature, laws which have existed since the beginning of time. The science of the Silva Method is as real and powerful as electricity. So here we are on the edge of the possible and the impossible. But luckily, the edge of the impossible is still much further away than we think. So what's possible? Well, let me give you an example of what you will learn in the Silva Method. In case of an accident and you have throbbing pain or you are bleeding heavily, you will be able to immediately stop the pain and stop the bleeding within seconds, just by touching your arm with your hand. My wife has stopped my son's nosebleeds several times using this technique. You will also learn how you can overcome your bad habits without willpower and without effort, once and for all, in just 30 days. Overcome your bad habits without willpower, without effort, permanently. Just by using a simple relaxation technique in your imagination, you will be able to eliminate your desire to have a cigarette if you want to stop smoking. You can make yourself disgusted with even the thought of lighting a cigarette, if that's what you want to overcome. You will be able to eliminate your desire for drugs or for alcohol. Or you can make yourself be more organized or better structured. You can overcome a habit of procrastination or anything else that you want to change about yourself. In the course, you will also learn how you can use your thoughts by the method of telepathy to communicate and help your children or loved ones or friends. For instance, just by the power of your mind, without speaking a word to your child, you'll be able to motivate them to be brave or nicer to their sister. Or if a family member drinks too much alcohol, let's say, you can help them to cut back or maybe even stop drinking altogether. You will learn how you can communicate with your pet so that it doesn't what you ask it to do. For instance, you can get your dog to stop jumping on the sofa with muddy feet. It's true. You'll also learn how you can affect changes to your plants. For instance, you'll be able to ask your houseplants what is the best location for optimum growth. You can also help the plants in your garden bear more fruit than ever before just by using the power of your mind. No kidding! And by the end of the 40-hour course, you'll be able to, while sitting in a chair at the alpha level in a relaxed state, just by hearing the name, age, and city of residence of a person that you don't know, you will be able to, in about 80% of the situations, describe the individual's appearance, personality, any physical ailments that they may have, and other relevant information. You will also be able to help accelerate their healing through distance healing that you will also learn. Hard to believe? I bet. I can imagine you're thinking, cuckoo, this guy's gone a little nuts. He expects me to believe this. He must be crazy. But what if only half of what I'm saying is real? If only half of this is possible, then it's a miracle. I know, I'm promising a lot. Maybe it seems like too much, but why should I promise less if all this is possible? More accurately, it is possible for those of you who learn the techniques and practice them regularly. Then you too can achieve all these things. But I promise you, you will be even more surprised at what you are capable of at the end of the 4-day program. Some of you are curious to see what this is all about. That's why you are watching this video. Maybe you're thinking, it doesn't matter what he'll say. There won't be much that is going to change the way I think anyway. But careful, be very careful. This is a warning to you right now. I am warning you right here. The program you are thinking about will very likely turn your worldview upside down. This program is very likely to completely change your life. During the course, we are going to learn a great deal, but drastically differently from the way you learned at school. We are going to learn relaxed, sitting back in the chair with our eyes closed. This is called subjective learning. That is, we are not going to be using the conscious mind, the logical mind, to be doing the learning, but the subconscious mind in a relaxed, half-sleeping mode. If someone sleeps through all the relaxation techniques, it doesn't matter. Don't worry, your subconscious mind will still absorb the information that you need to know. I only ask you, don't snore. I bet there are many of you who are thinking, can everyone do this? Can I do this? Of course you can. This is quite a simple program. It's possible for everyone, from children to adults, as long as you have a mind. And you do. You don't need a university degree, an MBA or a college degree. In fact, all you need to do is have the desire to learn, stay open to the information, and follow the instructions. My most important advice for you is to accept your own speed. Accept your own speed. Why? Because we're not the same. If you saw me walking down the street, I'd be going really fast. You'd see me walking quickly. Other person would walk something like this. What would it look like if everybody in the world walked the same way, behaved the same way? We're all different. Some people can learn to relax quickly, others take it a little longer. If you can sleep, which I'm sure you can, then you can learn to go to the alpha level. If you have ever slept, then you can get to the alpha level. So don't force it. You can't get to alpha if you're thinking, get to alpha, get to alpha, get to alpha. And when you are at alpha, your mind is in genius mode. Here's a pop quiz. How much of our brain's capacity do we typically use? The average person uses just 2% of their brains. So in the Silva method, we learn how to use more of our brains. We learn how to use our brains more efficiently, more effectively. We also learn how to use our brains differently. Why? By using the alpha state, not only are we more creative, we can use mental texting to message each other and use the laws of nature to create seeming miracles in our lives, we can more easily and more quickly solve our everyday problems or achieve our most desirous goals. This is a very practical system. Try the Silva Method Technique and experience the power for yourself. If you've ever been in a situation where you're anxious, stressed, or find it hard to relax or sleep, then let me guide you through a beginner Silva Method exercise called the centering exercise. This relaxation is guided by Jose Silva's daughter, Laura, and takes only 20 minutes, and you can download it by going to the link at the description box below. Once again, my name is Stephen Dobos, and should you have any questions about how to achieve abundance, joy, and ease in your life, please reach out. My information is in the description box below. In the meantime, please make sure to hit like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you can receive other valuable videos just like the one you just watched. If you would like to see more videos about Silva Method techniques and how to live a life of abundance, joy, and ease, make sure to click on these videos here. See you in the next video.